Meaning of dazzlingly.
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 Dazzlingly. Dazzlingly refers to something that is very bright, impressive, or stunning in appearance. It suggests that the subject is so bright and eye-catching that it may be difficult to look at directly. The term can also be used to describe something that is highly successful or skillful, implying a sense of admiration or amazement. In short, dazzlingly suggests a level of brilliance or excellence that commands attention and leaves a lasting impression on the viewer or observer.